Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tintin, a former bar staff in Royal Caribbean. Today, let's talk about one of the most important things when applying for a cruise ship job here in the Philippines, your interview attire. Remember, first impression really matter, and your appearance can reflect how professional and prepared you are. For men, you should wear a long-sleeved polo in white or light colors, paired with black or dark colored slacks. Don't forget to wear a tie, preferably in dark or conservative colors. Your shoes should be polished black leather shoes. Make sure your hair is neat, and if you have a beard or mustache, keep it clean and well groomed. For women, wear a blouse or long sleeve polo in light or pastel colors. Match with a knee-length skirt or slacks in dark shades. Shoes should be closed-toe with a small to medium heel. Avoid sandals. Keep your makeup natural and light, and tie your hair neatly in a bun or ponytail. Accessories should be simple, like stud earrings or a watch, nothing too flashy. Tips: always bring your documents neatly organized, and most importantly, carry yourself with confidence. Agencies and cruise ship recruiters look at how you present yourself because this reflects the standards you'll be maintaining on board. So that's it. Very simple but very important. Dress properly, look confident, and be professional. Good luck on your interview, future seafarers. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise ship tips. See you on the next one, and safe sailing.